So in this video, I'm going to talk about free traffic for affiliate marketing in 2021 or Digistore free affiliate marketing traffic. This is an evergreen traffic. So if you made a content, this method gonna bring you traffic every single day, then you can convert that into paying customer whenever that you want, guys. So watch the video until the end. I'm going to show you how you can create the content and the way you can publish it and how you can get those free traffic for your affiliate link. This applies for Digistore24 or clipchamp or any other affiliate network, guys. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. So subscribe, like, and if you watch this video until the end, if you really like this video, give a like to this video, guys. So in this video, I'm going with Digistore24. Here that you can see, this is my account. When you sign in and when you go to the marketplace, they recommend these are the top selling product on the Digistore24. So in this case, I'm going with Vidiq. Is in a belly fat losing I think it's a tablet, metabolic tablet that reduces the belly fat. So all you have to do when you find this product, all you have to click this one called sales page, and it will take you to this page. This is important because when you come to creating the content, whether it's videos or articles, you need to understand about those content. So you can read through the sales page, understand what this product is about and what is the function, you can read other people review on that, so you understand what is this product is about. After that, what you have to do, you have to create the content. You don't have to write entire review for this product. I'm going to show you a simple way that you can do it. So here is your product. Any product, all of the product have a sales page, and most of them have an affiliate support page. In clipchamp, they have an affiliate page. So if you click open that, those pages have some review or videos that you can use, or email swipe, so you can use it for email marketing. But just in case for this product that you can see here, this is the product I want to promote. They don't have an affiliate page, but they have a sales page. So this is the sales page. So I read this, understand about this product. So all you have to do, you have to copy and paste these articles to make content, but you can't copy this. So all you have to do is go to this website called Tubebuddy.com, where you paste the link and you can copy this entire word. So they pull the word from this page, so you can't copy from here. So if you paste it on your URLs here, doesn't matter affiliate link or whatever, just paste the sales page and just copy this entire articles. Now what you do, put it on a Grammarly or Word document. Now you need to cut and remove unwanted things. So I'll keep it simple with the what you can see here, around 787 words to make a 4 minutes videos, guys. So all you have to do is just go through this sales page and take the important part and remove the unwanted part from that. After you did that, you can use these tools. Before that, again, most of this method I'm showing in this way free, but there's an alternative way also. For example, Vidiq is the website gonna turn your article that you already copy and paste into videos. Vidiq, you can use it free with trial, but you can't use the auto voice. If you can't use auto voice, don't worry, you can use a free auto generated softwares like AI voice softwares. I have a lots of video on my channel, go and check it out. You can use those software to generate voice separately, and you can generate video from Vidiq, then you can combine together using any video editing software. But I'm using Vidiq for this video. You can copy and paste this script, and it will automatically generate a scene for you. All you have to do is go through the scene, understand it's right, and sometimes the scenes are not relevant to the word, so you have to change that a little bit. If you want, what you can do is you can add your own picture for the Vidiq. So what of the product that you want to promote, so you can see I just copy this image from here and just put it on the video to let them know what this product is about. So within 5 minutes, these articles is turned into videos with auto voice. So what I did now is I just have a second channel where I upload this video that you can see. So these are the important part people are searching for. How you can find it, this title. So all you have to do, you have to install this plugin called Vidiq or Tubebuddy, both this work. So I put this one called Medical Review. This is my product. You can put anything that you want. That you can see competition is very low and the number of search volumes are 57, so you can make a content that you can still rank on first page of YouTube. You can see these are the keyword people are searching for on Google, YouTube actually. You can see that you can see here there's medical real review, medical scam, or medical review. So you can use that on your title. So I did the same thing. I used that on the title and copy and paste it in the description. Here is my affiliate link. I put it inside, and just a simple thumbnail I used Canva to make it. And on here you can see some more. I just copy and paste all the keyword that people are searching as a tag here and published it. Now when you creating new YouTube channels, if you are new to YouTube channel, don't worry about the views. So I'm going to show you one proof. This is a video about a fact video for health that I published on January 2020, I think. That you can see after January to April I didn't get any views. You can see March just 20-40 views, then started to go up, it started to go viral, and you can see in 24 hours I getting around 149 views in 24 hours organically from YouTube alone. That you can see this video nearly have 28,000 views and 1.5k watch hours, guys. So it's only 5 minutes of the videos. So what you're gonna do, again, this is the review video. This is the review video. It's around 4 minutes, so you can easily create these videos and upload it on YouTube, and you can generate free organic traffic every single day throughout the years for your affiliate offers. Don't worry about the views, because the views are go add up during the days or month, because whenever your videos start to get more viral, you can get more views. So you can convert those views into your conversions. All you have to do is create contents on your affiliate niche, and when people click your affiliate link, they sign up for it, that you can make money like this one as you're earning commission 106 euros, roughly $100 I believe. So you can easily make this kind of money throughout the years, guys. And again, this is free and it's organic, and you don't have to spend any money at all. So if you really like this video, all you have to do is subscribe and like this video, and write me in the comment section what kind of videos I want you to make in the future, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.